To download Facebook Lite on Android and iOS. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to download the Facebook Lite on Android and iOS, both the apps, both the devices, what you have to do is you have to simply for the Android user, you have to simply open your uh, Play Store app, and for iOS user you have to open your App Store app. And after opening it, what you have to do is you have to click on your search bar of your both devices, and then click search for the Facebook. You have to search for the Facebook Lite like this one, and then you can search by this in the both Android and iOS. And after searching it, what you have to do to download download the Facebook Lite on both the devices, you have to simply click on the install button right here in the top right corner. You can see, you can also open this like this in this format, and you can click on the install button, the screen button with install. So you have to click on this install to download it. And in both devices you can simply this is similar for the both devices, so you can simply click on the install button in the both Android and iOS, and you can download the Facebook Lite. So that's basically it, that how you can download the Facebook Lite on both Android and iOS. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this tutorial. Have a good day.